Welcome to the Waterford at Juno Beach, where thoughtful renovation has turned dated layouts into bright, modern residences designed for the way people live today. Originally, many of these homes were smaller studio and one-bedroom units. Comfortable, yes, but no longer meeting the expectations of a luxury coastal community. So the vision was simple: create more space, bring in more light, and elevate every detail. By combining existing units, the design team introduced spacious new floor plans, including two-bedroom, two-bath residences, two-bedroom homes with a den, and even expansive three-bedroom layouts. The old closed-off galley kitchens are gone. In their place, open-concept kitchens with full-height ceilings, center islands, and beautiful shaker cabinetry with soft-close hardware, designed to be both functional and welcoming. Bathrooms received a complete refresh as well, featuring walk-in showers, upgraded lighting, and modern finishes that feel both clean and timeless. Overhead, outdated popcorn ceilings gave way to smooth ceilings, recessed LED lighting, and elegant crown molding. Underfoot, luxury vinyl plank flooring flows seamlessly through the living spaces. Paired with contemporary tile in the bathrooms, the result: homes that feel brighter, larger, and undeniably refined. At the Waterford at Juno Beach, this renovation isn't just about new finishes. It's about creating spaces that match the lifestyle, comfort, and community residents deserve. Because sometimes, the most meaningful transformations are the ones that feel like home.